Guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be making slime, and me and Ann are gonna split this glue.
Hey guys, it's me and Ann, and today we're making slime.
Yeah,
and I'm with Sarah Skeletons.
I'm making it on my own video, and she's gonna make it her own video too.
Yeah, so we have our bowls.
Yeah, bowls.
And we're going to add half this glue to each of ours.
Yeah.
So it's equal, and we have some tied. So you want to go first?
You do it. You pour it in for me.
Okay. So I'm gonna pour it in for him.
Because I probably might do it the whole thing on accident.
Okay. Add a little bit more because it's not quite half yet.
Is that half?
No, not. Wait. Just a little bit more.
A tiny bit.
There.
Okay, that's half.
Yeah. Okay. Now wait for me. So now I get to add the rest of this in, which is practically the other half. Ah, I got it on my finger.
Okay.
Okay.
And now we're gonna use this.
Tied to get it.
Okay, she's gonna pour it into mine.
So add it little by little.
And this is gonna be clear glue, and I'm gonna dye mine blue for
Oh yeah, I'll get
glue.
you some food coloring.
For my
So
blue flaming eye.
I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna get some food coloring. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get some food coloring.
Wait,
I'll
what does
be
that button do?
It just takes a picture. So I'll be right back to get some food coloring.
Yeah. So guys, she might be gone for a while, but it's gonna be fine. She's just getting food coloring for her slime and my slime because my slime's gonna be blue, and I don't know what hers gonna be, but I love blue because I have blue hair, so I'm gonna get blue food coloring dye.
I'm back.
So she's back.
With the food coloring.
Okay.
We have different colors. Choose which one you want.
I'm blue. Of course, I'm doing blue.
I'm gonna go check out the colors I have already.
Could use pink.
I think I'm gonna do green today.
Okay.
So I'm doing green. He's doing blue. Yeah.
Do I squirt it in, or do I wait for it?
You can squirt it in right now. So
Okay.
we're gonna go ahead and squirt this food coloring in.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna see real quick. I'm just adding 2 drops. 2 drops.
Bam.
And
Done.
then, as you can see. Oh, it almost came out of the bowl. Okay, now we're gonna mix it with our handy dandy chopsticks.
Okay.
Oh, I love the color so much.
Look at mine.
Oh, yours is so pretty, but look at mine. I think it's too bright. It's like the Hulk.
Yeah. I need help
Here.
scoring mine.
Here's mine. Here, I can do it for you. So, let's show you his.
Yeah, that's
There
mine.
it
That's
is.
mine.
His slime.
Yeah, as you can see, that's gonna be the color. Can you help me stir it when you're done?
Yeah. So I'm gonna help him. Wait, I gotta flip it.
Is this good?
What? Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Wait, get it over here too. Okay. So mine is really ugly. Now
Mine's super pretty.
it is super pretty. Okay, so now let's add the tide.
Okay, where do I put our?
Tide? You want me to help you with this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The tie. Help me with tie.
I tested out my borax thing. Yeah, it did not work.
Oh.
What?
I don't know where.
Mine just stopped again, but I'm gonna make a part 2. Hey guys, this is no storage. Okay, well, yeah.
So we're just gonna have to share this video on my channel because
So let's add this tied to his.
yeah, I feel bad for her when she was recording her camera stopped.
Yeah.
So
Okay, let's add a little bit. Yours is good because it's already blue.
okay. Boop. That much?
Boop. And stir. Now I'm gonna add some to mine.
Oh, I can start to see it.
Yeah, you see how it's coming together?
Whoa, this looks like night sky slime.
Mine looks like poop.
Look at mine.
Mine looks like a green blob.
Look at mine. Is mine pretty?
Oh, it's
Look at mine.
yeah. Keep stirring.
Okay. I can see like a giant blob in the middle,
Yeah.
which is kind of
I'm
brown.
gonna add a little
It's-
more glue. Okay, because you don't have that much. And I have more than you.
Okay.
I'll add just a little bit of mine.
Okay, yeah. Look at that. It's coming out really well.
Yeah. Mine.
And I'm
is-
gonna take this home because I'm at her house right now.
Oh yeah, he's gonna. If you might see me in his videos, and you might see me
Yeah.
in my videos, cause he's staying here for 2 weeks practically.
But 1 week, basically.
No, 2 weeks, cause your
What?
parents are gonna stay here for another week. I think.
What?
I think. I'm not sure, but maybe 1 week.
I think it's 1 week. Because
Yeah.
you said 1 week. Your parents said 1 week.
Oh. Okay.
So this is what it looks like, guys.
Cheers.
This came out, so I can't let it come out. This is basically a cooking show, but making slime.
Oh my god, mine is really sticky. I think you need a little more.
Okay.
There, that's a lot, but I don't care because you need a lot.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It is super sticky. I like it. I haven't touched mine yet.
I'm too scared to touch mine right now. I touched it already, but
That's so pretty. Look at it.
it's like a really 90 blue.
Yeah, I like this blue. It's like indigo, but night
Mine's
sky.
like the Hulk.
Mine's
Whoa.
so pretty. Look at it, guys.
I'm taking this part off.
I'm
this
definitely gonna upload this.
one. Okay.
Damn, please don't unsubscribe or dislike this video. Okay, I think is this not good?
Let me touch it. Oh, it's still sticky. I'm gonna
Is
add a
mine
little.
good?
No, not yet. You need a little more detergent.
Okay.
There. Stir again. So I gotta keep stirring mine.
Oh my god, yeah, look at that. Pretty. Perfect. It's so good. It's not. Just
Mine's really sticky. I don't know why.
touch mine.
Okay. Oh, yours is still way too sticky. Let me add some on the mixing tool. There. So, not so sticky again. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing with my hands. I'm kind of really scared, but you know what?
I'd rather mix with my chopstick.
Okay, you can do that. I'm going to go in for my hands. I'm going in with my
is it-
hands.
Touch it. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, my nut is done.
I think, yeah.
Okay. Wait, should I add one more drop of blue?
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna add one more drop of blue and see what it will turn
I'm
out.
just kneading with mine right now.
Her green slime is really ugly. It's true. It's basically
guys.
you stole from the Hulk and made his skin clear.
Yeah. Guys, mine's really ugly.
Oh my
I thought,
gosh. It's
I
so-
thought mine was going to be a nice light green color.
that would happen if you use regular slime. I mean regular glue.
No,
Probably.
clearish, transparent, but so
Okay. I think I'm done.
far, I see. Yeah.
Mine's super bubbly from the container.
Mhm.
I'm not sure because it might.
Yeah, his is really bubbly.
Yeah, I don't know.
Um,
Probably was too much detergent.
Yeah.
Okay, I
This
think
is
I'm ready.
mine. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey! Oh, did I get Sorry, I kind of got it on him.
Star Wars! Dun, 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 dun.
I am not fighting you. So I'm going to quickly shove this in a container.
I need a container too.
Yeah, you do. I'll get you one.
Thanks. So we're done with making our slime. And okay. So you got, do your outro on my video.
See you guys next time. It's
See you,
bye.
see you in my next video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and click that little bell. Peace out.
And do that to me too. Subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, just end the
Comment
video.
too.
And comment. And the notification button. I
say,
don't give a potato.
click that little bell. Okay. Peace out, guys. Peace. There. Peace.